thunderstorm warning for McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, northern Pittsburgh County in southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern
I don't know why this guy just shut off. He's plugged in.
Until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It's 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles out of Okmulgee State Park to 4 miles northeast of Waletka to 3 miles west of Dusting, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include Eufaula, Henrietta, Shakota, Waletka, Newark, Schulter, Crowder, Canadian, Indianola, Grayson, Kenna, Hoffman, Stidham, Rayford, Blucker, Vivian, Arrowhead State Park, Lake Eufaula State Park, Hichita, Bryant. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 230 and 267. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern, northeastern, and east central Oklahoma. At 5:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Numerous reports of flash flooding have been reported